Hey, welcome to Choo. My name is Alice, and in this video I'm going to show you how to turn this pumpkin into this delicious spiced pumpkin mead. It is truly delicious, so stay tuned for that. Oh, it's so thick, so sweet, it's so delicious. Like, honestly, this is one of the better things I've made. And you know me, if you've been following these videos, you know I'll straight up tell you if it's shit. This is not shit. This is absolutely fucking fantastic, so stick around. So first it's time to pick a pumpkin. I'm relatively new to pumpkin farming, so despite getting a few okay ones, most were pretty undersized, like my morning's poo-poo. I imagine I'll do better next year, and as far as my poos are concerned, I'll probably do a much more full and texturally more pleasing poo tomorrow morning, because I'm having a big dinner tonight, just in case you were wondering. Something's been eating this. I think it's slaters or pill bugs, whatever you want to call them. So that's not going to be able to be stored. Plus it's pretty small, so let's turn that into booze. Way smaller than they should be, but you know, I'm kind of new to pumpkins. But yeah, see, this is fucked. So this is the one, because of all that shit. So this one I just pulled off the bed. I didn't even notice that one there. So as you can clearly see, millipedes. And there you go, look, slaters or pill bugs. So this one's even worse than the other one. So probably I'll clean the shit out of this, and then I'll probably end up turning that into booze as well. It's still edible now. It's only just come off the tree. So I just have to pick one. Probably this is the worst one. Ugh.
It's such a cold and rainy day, and my wife has gone away, gone to work to earn that pay so I can stay home and play. I feel so bad for my babe who works so hard every goddamn day, when all I do is procrastinate and masturbate the day away. But I am such a lonely boy, home alone, just me and my toys, and my two dogs were always bonding, but I leave the conversation wanting, cause those dumb shits are not conversationless, and I get pissed when communicating with two morons who are super cute but cannot speak and are not astute. But it's not complete doom and gloom, cause I know how to fucking brew the finest mead you ever knew. Just me and my booze, I love my baby booze. Booze gets rid of my blues, I want to drink more booze. I don't have a real job, but I do have real booze. I'm not really a snob, cause I'll drink any kind of booze. Just me and my booze, alone with my baby booze, and my two idiot dogs, but they can't have any grog. It's illegal to give them drinks, I'll end up in the clink, and that's the way it should be, because that's animal cruelty. Animal cruelty. Booze!
Once cold crashed, all the yeast becomes inactive and drops to the bottom, and all that sediment that the yeast was kicking up, like bits of pumpkin gunk, will also drop to the bottom. This will happen with pretty much anything that you brew. So now ideally what you do is rack, i.e. siphon all this good stuff out a second time, leaving all this shit behind. Most of that's yeast, which will become active again once this warms up. But once you've racked it, you can stabilize it using wine stabilizers, then you're good to bottle it. I probably won't bother with that today though, because it's such a small quantity, but that's what you do in an ideal situation. Alright there! Hey! See, these girls wouldn't even drink it, even if I tried to give it to them. Look, they hate alcohol. See? So I was a little bit worried about the oil, because I probably shouldn't have roasted it with the oil, but they were for dinner and I just had some leftovers, hence the spiced mead. But it actually turned out well, because once I racked it, obviously the oil, as we know, just sits on the surface. So once it was racked, all that oil sort of went away. However, I didn't even mind it in there in the first place. It was a bit weird. It gave it some really nice mouthfeel. Maybe it's like when distillers put glycerin in their whiskey or whatever. Oh, it's so sweet, so yummy. Oh, I love it so much. It's just very, very sweet. So I wouldn't drink too many of these because I do like to watch my figure. But I tell you what, oh my God. Oh, that is really good. I'm not lying. Okay, please try it for yourself. Maybe rack it a little bit better than what I've done because, as you can clearly see, it's quite thick, but I don't mind it. You know, cloudy's kind of in fashion these days anyway, so all the cloudy ciders and shit, which is great because it's easier to keep it cloudy than to clear it up. So I love it when things that are easier to make are in fashion because then it's just easier, right? Not that I'm selling any of this shit yet. A little bit of sizzle there for you. Oh my God, I am absolutely gonna make more of this. This is sellable. I'm like stroking myself so hard right now. I'm just really impressed with it because the last few things I made have been a bit so-so. And like most of the stuff that I put on the channel, I have my staples, but most of the stuff that I put on this channel is experimental. And I'm just documenting the journey and trying to make a fun, entertaining video at the same time. This one though, please try this at home. Try this at home. This is really good. Oh, all right, my lovely darlings. I'll see you all in the next video. Make sure you hit like, subscribe, and all that fun stuff. I've been Jacob, sometimes Alice. You've been watching Choo. Check out our homebrewing playlist. There's lots of little fun things on there. And I love you very much. I'll see you in the next one, my sweeties. Bye-bye. Oh, that's yummy. Fuck me, that's yummy. This pick sucks. These are all shit. They're all blunt. I got blunt picks! Alright, that's good enough.